it's Sweetie Pie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first video that you are seeing of mine. What an odd video to pick. Alright, so today I am actually doing a 10 things you didn't know about me. I'm sorry if the title was a little bit misleading, but that is a couple of the questions. I swear. I'm not a clickbaiter. Anyway, guys, if you guys would like to learn 10 things about me that you didn't already know, then stay tuned. And do not forget to subscribe because this is 6 days. This is, yes, the 6th day of 10 days of uploads. Click that notification bell so that you guys can get notified. I usually upload between 5 and 6 o'clock Canadian time, Pacific Standard, I think. Not sure. And yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this look today, then you can... That would be a snowmobile. Then you can definitely just check out, I'll put an eye up here and I will also put it down below. Maybe I'll do a playlist for 10 days of uploads so that you guys can see them all in succession, maybe. Alright guys, so yeah, 10 things about me that you didn't know. Alright guys, so the number one is actually pertaining to the title of this video, falling in love at 15 years old and my 13-year relationship. I think it's been 13 years with my boyfriend. I am the, I'm not, like, I don't want to say black sheep, but I met my boyfriend when I was 15 years old and we have been living together for the past 13 years. And I think that's out of the ordinary. I think I live like kind of a odd kind of lifestyle where it's modern, very modern. I am only 28 years old. But it's also very monogamous where we have been together for 13 years. It's been, you know, there has been times, but we have been together for 13 years. So the second thing that pertains right into that as well is I have also lived with him for that 13 years. I moved in about 2 months after I met Matt and we've been together pretty much ever since. I never moved out. That is number 3. I never moved out, although we have come very close and I have spent some nights at my, at my dad's house or at my nana's house because, things were just like crazy. People fight, couples fight, and I think that's like something that a lot of people don't understand anymore. I think that Disney movies have led us girls to believe that Prince Charming will come and you will never have another argument again. That's just not how it goes. But yeah, so the fourth did you know is that we have shared our house with my boyfriend's mom for the pretty much the entire 13 years. And it's been really great to have somebody else to kind of help out. And she is also she's also been a little bit sick. So it's nice that we can, we're able to kind of take care of her as well. Another thing that I just wanted to pop in is that Matt's mom and dad also have kind of an odd relationship as well, as they are not actually together anymore, but he comes over every night for dinner and we have worked together for quite a few years. I don't work with him anymore, but I did work with him for, oh gosh, pretty much like maybe 10 years of the 13 years that I have been with Matt. So we've been very close-knit family. Because the only real family I have is my dad and my grandma, me and my mother. Let's not get into that right now. Maybe another day. All right, number 5 is I do not have a driver's license. Matt has a driver's license, but we only actually ended up getting our car when I was about 25 years old. We live in a really small town in Canada, Ontario, and it's actually not that far away from Toronto. It's about a 2.5-hour drive, 3-hour drive to Toronto. And yeah, like we've lived in this small town. I worked with Matt's dad, so I had a ride to work every single day. He was super good about, oh, do you want to stop here and there? I never really had a full want to get a vehicle until a couple years ago when I switched jobs, and so now Matt can drop me off at work and whatnot. I'm gonna add this in. It was my last one, but it kind of pertains to this now. Me and Matt are both house painters. When when I first met Matt, I think he was getting into house painting, and he was like, hey, do you want to come work with me? And ever since then, I have been a house painter, and I worked for the same guy for about 10 years, and then after that, I found a new job, which I absolutely love, still painting, but just for a different company. And Matt has kind of moved on slowly as well. We worked together for about 5 years, and then after that, oh gosh, so yeah, we worked together for about 5 years, and then after that he quit because of some issues that were definitely the same types of issues that I left for. And after that, he worked as a painter in a factory, and now he's actually working, he's making roof trusses, if anybody knows what those are. They're like the triangular things that so he's working in a factory there, making a lot more money than he was painting. So yeah, we have no children, but we both want one. I'm all for children. I'm at 4 children when you're ready to have children. Let's see here. What else do I have? Oh, another kind of weird thing. This is number 8, is we have 2 TVs in our bedroom. The way we actually do it is me and Matt could never agree on what we wanted to watch. I am a YouTube lover. I watch YouTube 24/7. I never watch cable. I will watch like a show or a movie, but I never watch cable. I just think it's like no, I don't like cable. But anyway, we actually ended up getting 2 TVs in our bedroom. So one TV is his TV, and he can watch whatever he wants. And normally my TV is like right by my bed, and I can watch whatever I want. I can upload videos, I can edit, I can do all those types of things. I do have a laptop, which I got this past year for my birthday, but I don't know, I'm not big on the laptop as much as I am my desktop computer, but when I do like travel, it is very good for to have the laptop. Okay, so the last 2 things are, I haven't always been in love with makeup. I always wore makeup to an extent, but in the last 3-4 years, it has just blown up, and I've just got this like love for cosmetics and skincare, mostly cosmetics. I have such a large collection, and I'm just thinking like, wow, you've only been doing this for 3 years and your collection is huge. And actually the last thing is that I am going to do a project pan for next year. I never saw myself doing this, but I was talking in my best of beauty, and I was like, you know what, I really want to do a project pan. So yeah, I'm gonna do a project pan like in the new year. I'm probably gonna film it right before the new year, but I'm gonna try, maybe I'll pick 10 items. Hopefully that won't be too much to ask, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, well, that was 10 things you didn't know about me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, because 10 days of uploads is almost over, and you do not want to miss these videos. Alright guys, I love you guys so much, mwah, and have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye!